Have you ever pondered the idea of launching a YouTube channel without the need to show your face? Well, it's completely possible, and today we're going to guide you through it step by step. Firstly, bring your channel to life by conceptualizing. Choose a topic that not only interests you, but also has an audience eager for content. It's crucial to brainstorm creative ideas that align with your chosen niche. Next, it's time to plan your content. Outline the structure of your videos and decide on the format that works best for your topic. Will you be doing tutorials, reviews, or vlogs? Make sure to research what's popular in your niche and put your own unique spin on it. Once you have your content plan in place, it's time to start creating. Invest in good quality equipment such as a camera, microphone, and lighting setup. Remember, even though you won't be showing your face, the visual and audio quality of your videos is still important. Now, let's talk about editing. This is where you can really make your videos stand out. Use editing software to add graphics, music, and effects that enhance your content. Take the time to learn the basics of editing or consider hiring a professional editor if you're not confident in your skills. After you've edited your videos, it's time to optimize them for search. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags to increase your chances of being discovered by viewers. Additionally, consider creating eye-catching thumbnails that entice people to click on your videos. Finally, it's time to promote your channel. Share your videos on social media, collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche, and engage with your audience through comments and messages. Building a community around your channel is key to its success. Launching a YouTube channel without showing your face may seem challenging, but with the right planning and execution, it can be a rewarding and fulfilling experience. So go ahead, take the leap, and start creating content that resonates with your audience. Good luck! Next, give your channel an identity. This involves designing a unique logo and channel banner, and creating a memorable channel name that perfectly reflects your content theme. Now, let's move on to the content. Start with an introductory video that succinctly explains your channel's purpose and what viewers can expect. To maintain engagement, consider using graphics, animations, or even voiceovers. Speaking of voiceovers, they are a great way to guide viewers through your content without showing your face. Alternatively, on-screen text overlays can be used to convey information in a visually appealing manner. If your content involves tutorials, reviews, or demonstrations, screen recordings are a handy tool. And if you're looking to add a little more visual appeal, why not try creating animated content? Another great way to enhance visual quality is through the use of stock footage and images. However, do ensure that these visuals align with your narration or theme. Scene script. Consistency is key when it comes to growing your channel. Therefore, it's crucial to establish a reliable upload schedule to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Engagement doesn't stop at video uploads. Make an effort to respond to comments, create community posts or polls, and use social media to connect with your viewers. Playlists and thumbnails are another important aspect of your channel. Organize your videos into playlists for easy navigation, and create captivating thumbnails that accurately represent your content. Social media can be a powerful tool if used strategically. Share teasers or highlights on your platforms to attract new viewers. Remember, it's all about promoting your content without revealing your identity. Lastly, don't be afraid to get creative. Consider adopting a unique character or mascot for your channel, experimenting with different editing styles, or even collaborating with other faceless content creators. In summary, creating a faceless YouTube channel involves conceptualizing your channel, creating an identity, developing engaging content, maintaining a consistent upload schedule, and effectively using social media. Remember, the key is to maintain consistency, quality, and engagement while preserving your privacy. Happy creating!